Hello and welcome to another episode from the Global Mapper Pro series. In this video, we're going to show you how to display the 3D DEM in the Global Mapper Pro software. Okay, first we need to import a DEM into the software. There are various appearance models for DEMs that you can select according to your preference and requirements. To view the DEM in 3D, click on the Show 3D View option. It opens the 3D window of the software. In this section, you'll find several settings and options that allow better control over the 3D visualization. Using the cursor, we can move our DEM layer and view it from different angles. We can zoom in and zoom out. Or choose different view models. We can also enable the feature like the walk mode option. Or fly mode option. Additionally, we can activate the Show Pivot Axis option. Or Show Compass Rows option. By using Change Display Properties option, we can make changes on our layer. Vertical exaggeration is one of the most important changes in this section. You can also change the environment settings as well.